Is your subscription business suffering from losing customers? In this video, I cover how to win back customers, including the important variables to test for a successful outcome. A win back campaign is also known as a re engagement campaign, and it involves sending messages to reconnect with people who aren't paying attention to your brand anymore or who have canceled altogether. It uses emails and notifications to remind them of your brand's value and encourages them to get interested in your business again. If you'd like help with implementing the strategy to grow your subscription revenue business, I encourage you to apply for a free coaching call with me using the link down below to receive personalized tips for your business. In my 20 years of running customer retention for large public companies and successful startups, I've found that win-back campaigns play a vital role in customer retention and overall subscription growth. Stick around till the end to get some bonus stats on the effectiveness of win-back campaigns. So let's get into it. To optimize the effectiveness of your win-back efforts, it's crucial to experiment with different variables. Create compelling and personalized messages that resonate with your lapsed customers. Use language that conveys empathy and reminds them of the positive experiences they had with your brand. Test different intervals between your win-back communications to find the right balance. When I was at Virgin Mobile, I found that there was a very big difference in response rate due to the timing of the first email. Consider offering incentives like discounts, exclusive content, product news, or personalized recommendations to encourage customers to re-engage with you. These incentives can create a sense of urgency and increase the likelihood of a positive response. Utilize what is called the RFM matrix: recency, frequency, monetary value, to segment your lapsed customers and tailor your win-back communications based on their past engagement. By understanding the recency of their last interaction, the frequency of their engagement, and the value they brought your business, you can approach each segment with a targeted and relevant message. Also, identify segments that do not align with your ideal customer profile and exclude them from your win-back campaigns. Win-back campaigns have been proven to be successful in driving re-engagement. Research shows that approximately 45% of subscribers who receive a win-back campaign read your future communications, and 25% of win-back campaign subscribers open messages up to 300 days after the initial win-back emails. That is quite a long time. These statistics highlight the long-lasting impact win-back campaigns can have on customer reactivation and your overall revenue generation. I'd be more than happy to guide you in creating and executing a win-back campaign for your business. I understand that I've shared a ton of information with you, and while a YouTube video can be very helpful, they will not fully address your business's specific needs and unique circumstances. And so I encourage you again to apply for a free coaching call with me. The link is down below and pinned in the comments. Let's team up to boost your revenue together. You don't have to go it alone.